No, I feel like I'm like constantly losing everything. Where is my keys? I'm in love with the shape of you. Sometimes you won't. Now I'm just gonna get out of here and go back home and put everything in the fridge. I'm not gonna start cooking till maybe around, I wanna say 4 o'clock, just because the BF doesn't come home till around 4 o'clock. And I wanna do some cleaning because the house is a disaster and I want him to come home to a nice clean house. Cause this so I'll see you guys at home. Don't come out. So I'm obviously home and I wanted to just show you guys real quick this cute little card that I got from Zoe, which is our daughter, aka our golden retriever, aka Pucho Luch. Where is she? Hi, baby. She's a little platypus right now, but I just thought it was super cute and I just wanted to show you guys. And then it says XOXO Happy Valentine's Day, and I'm just gonna write something on there real quick. And then I'm probably just gonna clean up the house, just make it look nice and smell good for that when he comes home it feels nice, you know? So
Two hours later.
the first thing that you're gonna wanna do is set your oven to 400. You're gonna take 2 chicken breasts and then you're just gonna cut them in half to make them thinner. Season your chicken with salt and pepper. I'm gonna do that on both sides. So now I'm just gonna take 2 eggs and I'm gonna whisk them in the bowl. Just try not to get a shell in there, obviously, because we don't want that.
They said, "You want sparkles on it?" I was like, "Sure, why not?" The guy next to me looked at me. I said, "What?"
So obviously dinner was a success. The chicken parm came out bomb. Corey is Italian, so he's super picky when it comes to these kinds of things. So the fact that he actually liked it says a lot. If you guys do try this recipe and you like it, please let me know in the comments below. I actually had a lot of fun doing it. I'm super excited to show you guys more of the stuff that I cook on a daily basis. All my recipes are super easy. I did film my skincare routine for you guys, so I'm gonna put that clip in right now. My skincare routine for the night. Thank you guys so much for watching. Until next time. I hope you guys enjoyed my skincare routine. I'm just gonna call it a night. Probably just gonna watch some Netflix, dive into some menage a trois.
As in the wine menage a trois.
And that's gonna be my Valentine's pretty much. Just Netflix and chilling and just relaxing. This is what I got for Valentine's Day. So pretty. So I'm back in the car. I'm gonna head out to Home Goods, see if I can find some stuff for the house that we need. I was gonna do this yesterday, but it was 20 degrees outside and it was freaking miserable. So today is not so bad. It's what, 50 degrees outside, so I thought I'd just head out and hopefully find some good stuff. So I just got to Home Goods and I can already tell that it's gonna be packed as hell, so I'm already annoyed. I really hate people, so this is really gonna suck. This plaza also has a Michael's, and Michael's has really cute like decorations for the house, and it's always on sale, so that's the tea for the day.
Oh, I feel like I need to like unbutton my pants. Oh, feels so much better.
I just got back from Home Goods and I wanted to share with you guys some of the things that I ended up getting. So the first thing that I ended up getting were these shower hooks, and I got them in this like crystal design, and I thought it just goes with everything, and it was only $5.99. And then I also got this shower liner because the one that we have now is pretty cheap. It's got like this cheap material that's getting moldy and nasty, so I was happy with this one because it's got these suction cups that it'll just stick to the bathtub and it won't move. So that was cool. And this one was only $9.99. Also got this toilet paper holder. I was really happy with this because this was the last one. For some reason, they only had toilet paper reserves, which is just this part right here, but none of them had the hook. So the fact that I found this one like hidden was awesome. Oh, I almost just broke it. And then I also got these, I guess this coat hook thingy majigger. I got them in the deer. They had other animals, but I wasn't feeling it. And they also had it in white, black, and silver. And this one was only $16.99. And then lastly, I got this shower caddy. We needed a shower caddy to like organize all our stuff in the bathtub. And I got it in the rose gold because our bathtub is pink and everything is kind of like rose gold pink. So I thought this would go perfect. And it was only $14.99, so not too bad. All in all, I spent like 66 bucks on everything, which is pretty awesome. I definitely tried to film in there, but for some reason, everybody and their mothers and their fathers and their husbands and their kids and their dog and their cats decided to be there today for some reason. Wow, am I going through puberty or something? But yeah, I was a little too embarrassed to film in there. I did go to Michael's, but I couldn't really find anything that I needed for the house. Everything though is 50% off for like all the spring decor and like house stuff. So if you guys are interested, I would go check them out now because everything is on sale. But yeah, I'm just gonna actually change into my gym clothes and I'll be right back. So I hope you guys enjoyed that little mini haul. I'm actually gonna go make myself something to eat real quick and then I'm gonna go work out because today is leg day. What's up guys? I just wanted to give you guys a quick little update. I have to go back to Home Goods today and return some of the stuff that I bought the other day because it just didn't go well with the house like I thought it would. Even Corey, who's my boyfriend, was like, babe, this looks like shit. I need to go and return this stuff. So that's what I'm gonna do. I also wanted to do a quick little Bachelor rant because Peter has been super frustrating this whole entire season. I feel like he's been thinking with his little Peter and not with his head. I mean, he kept Victoria in the final 3. I mean, really, like after all the fights that you guys have had and after all the times she's deflected and ran away, you're still gonna keep her. That's because you really wanna put that P in her V. Let me tell you. You know what I mean? And Hannah Ann. Oh, Hannah Ann. Look, age is nothing but a number. You know, people get married super young and they've lasted a very long time. But the girl still dots her I's with hearts. Yeah, I feel like she still has a lot of growing up to do. And Madison, you know, I have nothing bad to say about Madison. I think she's super sweet. I feel like she's got a good soul. But in the promo, she does give Peter an ultimatum. If he sleeps with the other girls, like this just won't be for her. So, you know, I'm curious to see how that plays out because last season, Luke P did the same thing to Hannah and all hell broke loose. And then I have my theory for how The Bachelor ends. And I think that Peter ends up choosing Madison. But because Madison finds out that he slept with the other 2 girls, she decides to go home. And that's when you see Chris Harrison come and tell Peter what's going on. And then Peter flies back home and he tells his parents, and then his mom's like, you need to get our girl back, you need to go, blah, 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 blah. And she's like crying or whatever. So then I think Peter goes and tries to get Madison back. Does she decide to get with him? I don't know, but that's my theory. She's apparently also filming right now at her hometown, so we'll see what happens. But yeah, that's my little Bachelor rant. I'm gonna stop now before I keep going. I'm gonna end this vlog. Hopefully it wasn't too boring. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell, and like this video. Peace.